Hello everyone! Glad that you have checked my Sonata Dolls channel. In the previous videos, I have already started unboxing LOL OMG from the new collection Remix. In the first episode, we have already unpacked an adorable kitty singer, Kitty K. And in the second episode, there was an unboxing of a cover girl guitarist, Lone Star. I recommend you to watch these episodes if you haven't seen them yet. So, a new friend is about to join our girls. And this is Pop BB. Finally, Kitty will have a mate who she will exchange outfits with. I will film another video where the remix girl will exchange their clothes. Pop BB is the most brightest doll of this collection. Madonna at the very dawn of her career in the 17th and 18th became her prototype. This is where such a bright and shocking style comes from. I was really looking forward to this doll. She's managed to become my favorite one. So, most likely I will keep her for dessert. The bright box Pop BB is made in the style of pop art posters. The LOL OMG Remix series logo is placed on a bright yellow background like the Pop BB itself. Each doll has 25 surprises, its own songs and music player. From the side and from the turn of corner of the box we can see what kind of music plate Pop BB has. It's yellow. A retro-style girl is printed on a yellow background with the white and black stripes. The letters Pop BB are jumping, seems like they wanna dance. The doll's outfits can be changed and combined. Pop BB friends is Kitty K, who they exchange clothes with. It's 80s. BB asks her sis to go to the disco cause she's not allowed to go alone. The Pop BB's icon is a cassette type on a yellow background with waves of sound. And here is a couple of people in LOL world, Ariana Grande and Madonna. All the girls of the series have gathered in their extra door. OMG, we sisters take the stage, fresh sound, outdoors fashion, calling all BBS with my crew, let's bring down the house, play that fierce music, remix those wipe. Collect LOL OMG and post photos with the hashtag on Instagram. The first step is to remove this music plate. To do this, just open the box from the side. Now the plate can easily be taken out. Pop BB has a yellow record. The name of Pop BB's song is Groove or Rama. And the music player can be pulled out from the right side. In general, this box no longer needed, but I will leave it here for beauty. The music player box is pink, just like Kitty K. Open it like a book. Wow! Everything is bright inside, just like Pop BB. Also inside there was an instruction on how to switch on the player and how to change the batteries. Initially the set includes 3 batteries, so you don't have to worry about them. The player will work right away. Inside the spread is as bright and colorful as the Madonna doll itself. Pop BB gives us advice: express yourself, music, fashion, attitude, vibe. This series is not only musical but also fashionable remix. To complement a fashionable look, you need to purchase a Kitty K as well. Such a bright DJ console will rock any retro party. She also has some hidden surprises. It's a yellow oh my god box with accessories in it. Wow, here are black mesh tights. I love it when the doll has socks or tights. And here's also a silver necklace with the female symbol of Venus and trendy geometric earrings in different colors. The accessorizes kit also includes a retro-style music player. Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy has a similar one. The music player is very detailed on the top. It's pink buttons, and on the back there is a black fastener for claws. The musical instrument of Pop BB was lying along with the accessorizes. It's a pink tambourine with silver bells. Unfortunately, they don't ring or scroll. Let's take out a box of shoes. Not boring box design at all. There are black ankle boots with the silver zippers. The toes are decorated with a metal insert and there are many silver dots on the sides, and they also have a high silver heels. Let's meet the queen of pop parties, Madonna! Wow, she's so extraordinary. So many bright elements and embarrassment of riches. Immediately wanna shake her funny bands and pull her tail. Let's find out more about Pop BB from her magazine. This is a music magazine, Music Zone, with a yellow print of the doll. Its spread has a poster of Pop BB with the same inscription as on of the centerfold of the box. Turning the pages, we can see the lyrics of the verse and chorus. We dance all night, we groove, got nothing to prove. Me and my crew, that's just how we do. I am with my crew, we ride, we remix this vibe. We rule the world, that's right. We are LOL Surprise. Alright, let's get the doll and surprises from the blister. Pop BB has tricolor hair. The main color is yellow. There are additional black strands, and the back of the hair is pink. The structure of the hair is wavy, and a corrugation hair curling iron was used to get the hair some volume. The yellow curly bangs are the same as LOL OMG Diva has, and the small strands are gathered in a ponytail with a bow and strongly tied. The white bow has two long ribbons up to the knee. In the previous video, I was asked to show the hair roots of the doll, so here they are, stitched well and thickly. The scalp is colored yellow. At the crown of the head, pink hair grows out of a pink scalp. Unfortunately, I got a doll with a defective makeup. You can take a closer look and see that her eyelashes are stripped, and also the right eye is blue on the wrong side. In general, the makeup colors are very beautiful. Light skin, dark eyebrows, and flame-be colored shadows. A lipstick of a delicious carrot red color, and above the lip there are mole, which I also tried to draw myself. The red staining of the nails has also gone beyond the cuticle. This is what the basic image of the Madonna looks like. Very extraordinary. Black leather bra with a white circle stitching and pink swimsuit with the different geometric shapes. The swimsuit is sewn together with the polka dot short leggings. White on a black background and black on the white one, which also adds some spice to the image. Straps of the swimsuit crossed. The gloves are not very well finished and they constantly fell off during of the fitting, so I decided to not wear them again. Removing her jumpsuit is very difficult. I barely managed to pull it off. In the previous unboxing videos, we figured out that this is a bag with a musical instrument, but instead there were headphones from that music player. They are black weird headphones with a silver headband. Let's connect the headphones to the player. In this series, there are 3 bags of clothes instead of 2 because there is an additional outfit. It looks like a cute accessory, but I thought this bag would contain a tambourine. The first bag is bright with a geometric print in a 70s style. Inside, there is a denim jacket, the dummy denim jacket that was very popular in those years. The fashion for such jeans periodically returns to the modern times. On the shoulder, there is an ornament of chains in the style of a shoulder strap. On the back, there is a pyramid that is painted with shiny paint and has a heart on top. Wow, this is a package with the facial features of people. Looks like a piece of modern art. Inside there is the stage image of the Madonna. This is a white lace top worn over the bra. This is how the outfit looks with the skirt. If not this black belt, I would definitely thought it's the British suit. The skirt is trimmed with the ruffles along the hem. This adds volume and shape. The kit also includes a pink stand and a silver hairbrush. At first sight, it seems that Pop BB decided to stand out with the dress among brides. But if you add a leather jacket and bright accessories, then she becomes the star of the parties of the 80s. And the last package with the blue TVs, which contains a pink marshmallow cloud. Ow! This is a hoodie! Soft hoodie with a large pocket in the middle, with 2 shiny ties at the collar. This jacket has a hood and a velcro on the back. And also sleeves have cute pink polka dot organza bows. Of course, this sweatshirt was for Kitty K. Soon we will have a real fashion show with dolls. But in the meantime, let's vote which image you like more, first or second. And now there is a musical pause on the channel. We hand Pop BB her musical instrument, pink tambourine. Installing the song plate. And spin the turntable as a DJ. Pop BB's room has its own little turntable and of course it's done in her favorite yellow color. Yes, my name is written on the poster here. Well, thought I got a doll with some makeup defects. I still do like this girl. It seems to me that Pop BB Madonna has become of the brightest LOLs. And I do not think that getting inspired by famous people is a bad thing. Fashion is cyclical and everything in our world repeats. Write in comments how you like this image of this doll and maybe something that you would like to change about her. Like this video, subscribe my channel and click on the bell to not miss the next unboxing. See you in the next episode. Bye!